It's been a long time coming and I'm back. Let's go. I am blow drying out my hair because I am doing a crochet set. So let me just show you what I do here. I've already put in the leave-in. I've already conditioned and moisturized my hair. I didn't do my scalp. Obviously, I'll do that once the braids are in. But since I already did that, as you see, I already have oil on my hair. Now, can you see? Yeah. Taking a little bit of this on my hand, like a dime size. And I'm just gonna go through the hair, the wet hair, focusing on the ends because my ends are really bad right now. But today is not a day for trimming of the ends. I'm gonna go to the shop, so tune in next month for that video. My handy dandy, yep. So did that, line to match. This one, put it back there. Individual braid in that section. So I'm just starting a braid going to the back, and I'm just gonna loop it in before I even start braiding. I'm just gonna try to keep that straight line. Not too tight. So I get all the hair in the section in the braid. And you see, we have the box. And add it in there. And then just braid it in. And I start twisting. So, on the side, and I'm gonna do another braid on this way. So all of this is gonna go in this braid. Go too fast because you still want the braid to be flat. Too fast as far as like braiding too much hair at one time. Okay, I think that's all the braids. Because you want this part to be flat. See that? Check me out. So yeah, it's flat. I'm gonna go ahead and braid it all the way down. Twisting towards the end so you're not tearing up your hair when you do decide to take it down. And I have to oil my scalp because I did not do it earlier. Once I oil it down, I'm just gonna take this one and I'm gonna put it, just find like a flat part to like crochet this in. This is the hair. It's BOHO locks. I'm excited. 14 or 16 inches. Not too long, but long enough. There's a loop. I'm gonna go ahead and like I said, I'm gonna put it in each box. So I'm gonna put my hair. Like through it. Check me out. I wanna make sure it's flat. Boom, let's finish this up.